In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Imagine with AI tool on a Facebook post. This fantastic feature allows you to create images directly from your imagination, giving a personal touch to your Facebook experience. Whether you're looking to enhance your post with original images or you're simply curious to give this exciting tool a try, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. First, hop onto your Facebook app and take a moment to get comfortable. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're ready, you'll want to focus on that familiar little section that's a click away from sharing your thoughts with the world. Yes, I'm talking about the What's on Your Mind area on your Facebook homepage. Tapping on this section not only lets you write a post, but opens up a world of options to express and share your thoughts creatively. After clicking on the What's on Your Mind section, look towards the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find various options that Facebook provides for enhancing your posts. Among these options, you'll see Imagine with AI waiting for you. This is the feature we're exploring today, and it's where the magic happens. Selecting Imagine with AI is like opening a door to the fascinating possibilities of artificial intelligence. It's a simple tap away, so go ahead and select it. Now, this is where the fun truly begins. Let your imagination go wild and think about the image you want to bring to life. Once you've settled on an idea, you can type out a description of the image you want to create. Be as detailed or as simple as you like. The more vivid your description, the more engaging the image could potentially be. This feature is your personal assistant, transforming the visions in your mind into visual content effortlessly. After typing your description, you're almost there. It's time to bring your creative idea to life. Simply find and tap the Submit button and let the magic of AI do its work. It's fascinating how, in just a few moments, the tool processes your description and crafts an image based on your input. Watching your idea take shape in front of you is quite a rewarding experience. Adding that special touch to your Facebook post. And there you have it, a unique image created with the power of Imagine with AI that's ready to be shared with all your Facebook friends. This feature not only enhances your posts, but also gives you the opportunity to express your creativity in a fun and innovative way. So go ahead and explore this tool further, have fun with it, and let it elevate your social media experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy expressing your thoughts in such a creative manner.